Good Thursday evening, everybody. Thanks so much for logging on for this FSU weather update. There's a flash flood watch in effect for many of our counties until Saturday morning, as conditions are favorable for quite a bit of rain in a short period of time for these areas in green. 2 to 4 inches are expected. Some isolated areas could get a little bit more, so of course you want to have that umbrella on hand if you're going out around the region, as we will be seeing quite a bit of shower activity, which I'll get to here in the full forecast in just a moment. High temperatures for today got pretty warm. 83 Tallahassee, 82 Quincy. Nice overall. Great day to enjoy. A little on the warm side, but tomorrow, Saturday, we'll be tracking some showers and thunderstorms around, so going to be a little bit harder to be outside in that, kind of like last weekend to an extent, where it was just very dreary around. Now, looking at your Doppler radar imagery, this is from earlier this evening. We saw some shower activity approaching Bainbridge at about 7 p.m., as well as areas in towards southeast Alabama. There are even warnings with these earlier around 6:30. As those storms did move closer to the southeast and broadening things out. We were watching these more storms developing out west into toward parts of Mississippi. Some of these storms could start to rotate out here, so something definitely worth noting there. But again, we're focusing on our region and a threat for some stronger storms tomorrow. Looking like damaging winds will be the main threat with these storms as we look at your forecast. Cool front will tell the story with this, and you'll be able to see that as it does move along. We're seeing how regions here toward Tallahassee, we'll be starting to see some shower thunderstorm activity approach by about noon, maybe even some tonight. We'll watch for some showers to develop here across our viewing circle. Some of these, again, could be strong this evening, but tomorrow looks to be the main time frame for the biggest threat. Then toward Friday evening, we'll be watching, though, for some shower activity lingered around. Thunderstorms as well, and in toward your early on Saturday. Marginal risk does remain in play for the Tallahassee region. Now, as we go ahead and look for that forecast for tonight, we know we do see 67 degrees. Clouds will start to increase in the picture. Some storms will be possible later on. Wind's not too big of a factor. And tomorrow, we're watching for an 80% chance of thunderstorms. Again, 77 degrees will be that high. Again, we could have some severe weather, so something we're watching closely. Stay tuned to FSU Weather. Also, livestream.com/FSU Weather. We'll be giving updates as conditions do warrant on warnings that are issued by the National Weather Service in Tallahassee. For what you're going to need to wear is a rain jacket, actually, for you tomorrow. On Saturday, rain boots will be the story, as we could have some ponding of water on roadways and on sidewalks as well. But later in towards Saturday and even in towards Sunday, it's going to start to clear out. We'll see nicer conditions. Sunglass weather, just great to enjoy. Should be a nice day on the end of your weekend. Now, 7-day forecast-wise, we'll go ahead and see exactly what to expect. Again, those temperatures mid-70s tomorrow, Saturday, with showers, thunderstorms around, especially in the early part of the day, Saturday, before to clear out on Sunday. And then Monday, Tuesday, the rest of the week looks to be nice. We see Wednesday, Thursday as well. Maybe a rain chance starts to lurk back in. 10-20%, but not too big of a factor right now. One thing I do want to mention real quick, I'll step off so I can say this. We're talking about the North Florida AMS End of the Day Banquet. I hope you come out to this. It'll be next Saturday, 6 p.m. is when everything will start getting going. Tickets are $35 for members, $45 for non-members. So if you want to come on out and want more information on this, make sure you email NorthFloridaAMSNWA@gmail.com. Thanks so much for tuning in for this FSU Weather Update.